Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold lower as heaven demand softens. Gold steadies as Trump threatens punishing tariffs on Canada and Mexico. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. After taking support around 2600, we can see that gold is trying to recover. In comparison to the selling pressure, the recovery is obviously very much weak, but still gold is trying its best to recover from this situation. As we all know, gold was extremely bullish. Gold was flying for the last couple of weeks. And yes, this was a big correction. But right now, the thing is whether it's a trend reversal or just a temporary correction. But the problem is that, okay, there is still no surety about this move yet. Because for a complete trend reversal, we need a big fundamental reason. The reason behind this correction was the ceasefire between the Israel and Hezbollah. But we can see that market has more or less digested the news and gold is trying to recover. So that reason was not sufficient enough for gold for a complete trend reversal. So if that is the reason, okay, then obviously we will not see further correction on the chart of gold, because if you look at the overall trend of gold on the higher time frame, this is the daily chart of gold, we can see that this is just a temporary correction and gold is still in uptrend. So if you're a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, then obviously buy at retracement or buy at dip is still the best trading strategy for you, because the overall chart is still in uptrend and there is no solid reason for a trend reversal yet. And if you're a day trader, obviously you need to be very much flexible and you need to behave according to the various market situations. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. My dear friends, we have seen many times how FastBull is helping the trading community. And today we will be discussing about another feature that FastBull has recently brought for all of us. And that is the multiple charts. Those who have been trading for last couple of months and years, you must be knowing that multiple charts are an asset. But sadly, they are hard to get. Most of the platforms, they charge a monthly fees or a yearly fees. But Fastbull is our best friend. And here, these charts are free forever. You don't need to pay anything to use these charts. And you can add as many pairs you want. You can change the layout from here. And the best thing is that, okay, there is no in restriction on indicators also. For example, in many platforms you cannot add more than 2 or 3 indicators, but here you can add as many as indicators you want. You just need to go to the indicators section and just add it up. That's it. And if you want to go for the fundamental analysis, okay, you just need to click on fundamentals. You can see that you will get a detailed picture. If you go to the news section, okay, you will get the basic idea about the market or in which direction the market is moving. Isn't it awesome? Feel free to check out FastBull. The link is in the description and the comment section. At first, let's look at a weekly chart of gold. On the weekly chart, we can see that this week market is from a red candle. Okay, no great information from the weekly chart because the weekly chart has been indicating about a big reversal for a long time. Okay, and still we have not seen it yet. So no point of waiting for trend reversal, because until and unless market breaks 2400, there is no chances of market coming down to 2200 or 2300, because you must be wondering why I'm talking about these levels 2200, 2300, because still I receive emails and messages where people are holding sell positions from these levels. Yes, okay. So my dear friend, okay, so chances of market coming down to these levels are very rare right now, because I think if gold falls also 2500 or 2550 are the two levels, okay, that will provide support to the market. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, yes, there was a big correction on the chart of gold on Monday, but right now we can see that market has more or less digested the Israel Hezbollah news and overall trend of gold is still intact. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader, if you're looking for a good position to grab gold, then yes, if gold comes down to 2550, 2550, these are the levels that can be very good opportunities to buy. Okay, because I don't think so in this situation gold will be going below 2500. And if you have already taken buy around 2600, because 2600 was also a good support. So if you have already taken a buy around 2600, no need to worry, 2600 is also a good level. In this situation, we can see that there is not much selling pressure in the market. So 2600 is trying its best to provide support to the market. Okay. And now we are back to our 1 hour time frame, hourly time frame. So if you're a day trader, obviously you need to be flexible. You need to react according to the market situation. So my dear friend, as I always say, okay, it is not possible for any trader to predict a market. We can just react according to the various situations. It is not possible for any human being to predict a market at each and every price level. But with our experience, okay, with our knowledge, what we can do is, okay, we can okay, do some analysis. We can expect the market to react, okay, around some levels. Okay, if market reacts according to expectations, then we can go for it. So if you're a day trader, okay, if you're unable to understand the market right now according to analysis, do not lose hope, because this market is not easy right now. When market will be normal, when market will be stable, when market will be reacting according to your expectations, then you can trade. You are a trader. That doesn't mean that you need to trade each and every day. Your goal is to make money, not to trade every day. So don't lose hope. Okay, so let's talk about the hourly chart now. Okay, so you can see that the levels that we discussed yesterday are still very much there on the chart. So the levels are still the same. So on the hourly chart, we can see that though market is trying to recover, the selling pressure is still there. So yes, we can look for the sell positions that we discussed yesterday. So the first selling opportunity on the chart of gold will be coming around 2650. 2650 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. The second selling opportunity will come around 2663 to 665. This is the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and the previous support will also be working as resistance. Okay, and the third opportunity will come around 2677 2679. This is the third level, which is FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and this is the level from where market started falling. So if you're a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, then obviously you can look for sell on rise or sell at resistance around these areas. Initially you should be looking for 1:1 risk to reward ratio, means 50 pips target, 50 pips profit. If you see that the selling pressure is quite high, then you can look for 1:2 or 1:3. But as of now, we can see that there is not much volume in the market. If we can score 1:1 risk to reward ratio also, it will be good enough for us. But we also need to keep in mind that we have news coming up during the US session. So you can see it is the economic calendar. We have a long list of events. So my dear friends, during the US session, market may get crazy. If you see some unexpected spikes, craziness in the market, you can just stop trading, okay, for 1 to 2 hours and just let the market settle. Okay, and especially beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, okay, please avoid trading during the news, because market, okay, will be showing some unexpected moves, unexpected spikes in the market. I know that at the time of news, okay, market is very volatile, market show big moves. It is very lucrative, but you also need to keep in mind that maximum traders also lose money at the time of news. So during news or after news, if you see that there is a sudden bullishness in the market, for example, if you see that there is a big green candle, then obviously you need to forget about sales and follow the trend of the market. Okay, so be careful, do not trade blindly, do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Okay, and on the other hand, if market comes down from here, okay, if market comes down from here, before US session, we can expect 2605, 2608 to provide support to the market, this level. Only before US session. After US session, market will be volatile. This minor support will not work. So before US session, we can expect this to provide support to the market. If market takes support and bounces, we can hit the buy button. After news, I don't think so it will work, because this is a minor level. Okay, and after news, in case market starts falling, if there's a big drop in the market, two support levels where we can look for buy are 2575 and 2550. to 254. So these are the two levels, okay, where we can look for buy in case market surprises us with a heavy selling pressure. Obviously, you can also look for a sell below 2605 if market falls and we see a sell and breakdown scenario. So yesterday we discussed why are we considering, okay, let me show you again, okay, if you are confused, okay. So we are considering 2575 level because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level. So far our FIBO has been doing a good job more or less. We can expect this to provide support to the market, this area. This is our first support in case of a heavy selling pressure, and we are expecting 255040 to provide support to the market because this is our last hope, okay, last hope. And if there's a heavy selling pressure, you can look for a sell below 2605 as well. Initially you can look for 50 to 100 pips, okay. If there's high selling pressure, then you can look for target around 2590 2585, okay. But let's wait and watch. The volume and volatility of the market will play a major role. So before the US session, we can clearly see there is not much volume in the market, okay, and usually, okay, the reversal trades, for example, the reversal of 2650, 2663, okay, these should work. If you see market showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. But US session comes with volume, and we have news also. So if volume comes, then the reversal trades are at stake. So in that case, okay, the breakdowns work much better. So during US session, if you see market started falling heavily, follow the trend. Common sense. Okay. Common sense and trading go side by side. Do not forget. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And the market has been very unpredictable, especially this month. So do not go big. Follow proper risk management and use stop loss. Bye bye.